Yeah, hello guys. In this video, we are going to start to learn path parameter using the annotation path variable. Okay. So in last video, what we did, we just returned the bean. Okay, and we just enhanced the hello world and we return the bean, and that means we print the hello world as a JSON form. Okay. So now in this video, we will understand what is the path parameter and how we are going to use. So you can easily see that how we are using the URL, and we can pass the string as a name, number, and any ID. Okay, so path parameter will be in the curly braces. Okay, and how we are going to use this, let's start. Okay, let's start to do practically. So just copy this last API, control C, and here you can do the paste. Okay, and just change the method name. You can give the anything name of method. Hello path. I'm going to give a name hello path, and firstly I will pass the name. Okay, so for that, what I have to do, slash, and I am writing name as a parameter. And how we are going to pass name, we can pass in many ways, but I am passing using the format string dot format. Okay, and here I am going to write hello world. Okay, and here I will write a parameter name, which is name, and here I have to write a annotation, which is path variable. Okay, control space path variable, you can see that, and it will be string type because I am taking a name, so name will be string. So let me specify the name. You can see that it import this path variable. Okay, so everything is done. Just save it and run it. Okay, now we are just passing the parameter as a name, and name is a string type. Okay, and we are printing using the string format. Okay, in the last video we learned that how to print this hello world bean. You can see this class also now, no problem. Okay, if you didn't see the previous video. Okay, now come to the Chrome, and you can see that in last video we print the hello world, but here we have to change the URL. We change or not? So firstly, let me change the path variable URL name. Let me give a name, or you can say that user, anything. Okay, save it and just run it again. Okay, user slash name I have to write. Okay, and let it run. Yeah, done. Okay, done. Come to the here, and here I have to write user. If I will pass the name money, so what it will give the output, you can see that hello world money. Money is not showing. Why? Because what I did a mistake. Yeah, I wrote the name here money, but I didn't pass inside the double quotation. So I have to pass. I'm taking the name as a string, so I have to write a control s percentage s. So I have to run it again, and okay, done, no problem. So we are passing the name, but we didn't wrote this percent s, so this name value will take inside the percentage s, it will print. Okay, come here and refresh it again, so you can see that hello world money. Okay, if I will pass the another name, just like I will pass Rekha, so what it will show the output, hello world Rekha. Okay, if I will pass any number, okay, 12, so it will pass the number also 12, but it's taking as a string. Okay, suppose if I take here ID. Okay, if I will take here ID, so if it will be integer type. Okay, and I'm taking percentage instead of percent s, percent d. Okay, and change the name here ID, and here ID. Okay, save it and run it again. If I am taking parameter as an integer, so it will take the value integer only, not a string. Okay, so let's see what output will come. Okay, let it run, and done. Come to the here. So if I will refresh it again, okay, so it's in 12, fine. If I will pass any string value, so what it will show, so it will show white error page. Okay, so in string we can pass number, but it will take as a string. But if I took the integer, we can't pass the string parameter, so I have to pass only integer parameter. Okay, so you can see that hello world 123. Okay, this was the path parameter we understood in Spring Boot. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.